Hello everyone, welcome back to Canada Immigration Global. Prince Edward Island holds largest PNP draw of 2026, 182 immigration invitations issued. There is exciting news for skilled workers and international graduates planning to immigrate to Canada. The Prince Edward Island Provincial Nominee Program, also known as the PEPNP, has conducted its largest immigration draw of 2026, issuing 182 invitations to apply for provincial nomination. Let's take a look at what this means for immigration candidates. Prince Edward Island holds its largest immigration draw of 2026. On 18 June 2026, Prince Edward Island invited 182 candidates through its provincial nominee program. This is the largest PEPNP draw held so far in 2026, surpassing all previous invitation rounds this year. The invitations were issued through the province's Labour Impact and Pay Express entry categories. Who received invitations? Prince Edward Island continued to focus on candidates who are already living and working in the province. Priority was given to foreign workers employed in high-demand occupations and sectors, including those experiencing ongoing labor shortages. The province also prioritized eligible international graduates from University of Prince Edward Island, Holland College, College de LLA. This approach supports employers facing workforce shortages while encouraging graduates to remain in Prince Edward Island after completing their studies. Why is this draw important? This latest draw reflects Prince Edward Island's continued commitment to attracting skilled workers who can contribute to the province's economy. Unlike some provincial programs that conduct broad invitation rounds, PEI continues to focus on candidates who already have strong connections to the province through employment or education. For eligible candidates, receiving a provincial nomination can strengthen their pathway toward Canadian permanent residence. What this means for immigration candidates? If you are currently working in Prince Edward Island or are an international graduate living in the province, this draw is encouraging news. Candidates working in priority occupations should keep their immigration profiles up to date and continue monitoring future PEPNP draws. As labor market needs evolve, the province is expected to continue selecting candidates who can fill critical workforce gaps. Final update: Prince Edward Island has now held its largest provincial nominee program draw of 2026, inviting 182 candidates through the Labour Impact and Express entry pathways. The province remains focused on supporting employers, addressing labour shortages, and providing qualified foreign workers with opportunities to become permanent residents of Canada. If you're considering immigrating through the PEI Provincial Nominee Program, now is an excellent time to review your eligibility and prepare your application. If you found this update useful, like the video, subscribe to Canada Immigration Global, and share this video with friends and family planning to move to Canada. Thanks for watching.